Hi and welcome back. In this video, we're going to look at creating our first binary tree class. Let's begin by creating a new project that I've created here in my desktop, and then right-clicking, of course, and creating a new Python file. We're going to call this app.py. And I'm also going to create a couple other files, which I'm going to call node.py, and another one, which I'm going to call binarytree.py. Okay. So we have three files, app, node, and binary tree. I'm going to keep them open up here, and I'm going to hide the sidebar just so we have a little bit more space. And we're going to begin. Our binary tree is going to have a starting point, which is going to be a node, and then we're going to be able to add new nodes to it. The first thing to do is to create our node class. Our node class is just going to be a simple object that has a value, a left, and a right node. So we're going to say class node, and it's going to have an init method, a value, and it's going to have self.value equal value, self.left equal none, self.right equal none. Okay, so when we create a new node, it's just going to start as nothing, no children essentially, nothing on the left, nothing on the right. And the value is going to be whatever it is that we pass to the init method. Here, I'm also going to add a short repr method, just because we're going to be printing things out, and it may be handy to be able to get a nice representation of the value of the node. So this is the repr method. When we print it out, we're going to see node 5, for example. Let's just verify this is all working by writing a short script here in app.py. We're going to say from node, import node, and then we're going to create a new node that I'm going to have the value 5. And then I'm going to create a new node that is going to have the value 9, and I'm going to create a new node that is going to have the value 13. I'm going to assign these to variables. Left equal that, head equal that, and right equal that. And now we're going to do something like head.left equal the left node, head.right equal the right node. And we should be able to do things like print the head left, print the head right. Pretty simple script. Nothing really is going on, except we've created our first sort of binary tree here. We've got our head node, and then we're setting the left and right node. So we are ending up with some sort of triangular tree there. If we run app.py, we see node 9, node 5, node 13 printed out. If you're interested, you know that this is a pre-order traversal of the tree, even though we've not really traversed anything yet. We've just printed a few of the nodes out. But the first thing we've printed is the head node, then we've gone left and printed that node, and then we've gone right and printed that node. So this is an example of a pre-order simple traversal. Okay, we've got this. Now we're going to delete that and start working on our binary tree class. In this video, we're only going to work on adding a new node. We're going to implement what we've already seen in the lecture, and then we're going to add a few more videos